Hello guys, today we are going to see how to use sum function and SUMIF function. First one is sum function. If we wish to find the sum of all these cells, then type equal to, and remember one point, in Excel to use any formula we should use equal to. Next, type for sum, click on sum function and select the cells which needs to be added up by using sum function. Close the bracket and click on enter. Now we can see all these cells are added by using sum function. Now for a quick action, if we want to add two numbers by using sum function, let's see how to do this. Equal to sum function 35, 40 and close the bracket and click on enter. Now let's say if we want to find for four numbers, then type equal to sum function 35, 56, 72, 89 and close the bracket, click on enter. In this way we use sum function in Excel. Let's see how to use SUMIF function. When this SUMIF function is useful, let's say our scenario is to calculate only population from India. By using sum function, we can calculate all the cells. But by using SUMIF function, we can calculate the required cells. Let's see how to do this. Now our requirement is to calculate the population from India by using SUMIF function. Type equal to, type for SUMIF. Now you can see SUMIF function is populated. Click on that. Now you can see the formula, range, criteria, sum range. Range is nothing but country name from where to where. Select the range, comma, and the criteria is nothing but country name, India, comma, and sum range is nothing but the population. Select, close the bracket and click on enter. Now we can see the total population from India is 1266. Let's cross verify this by using sum function. Equal to sum of from India 365, 175, 178, 107, 291, 150. Close the bracket and click on enter. Now we can see 1266. If you want to change country name, you can. You can see automatically it populates the value. If you want to change the data table, in this way we should use SUMIF function. So the SUMIF function helps us to calculate the selected cells from the list rather than sum of all these cells. Thank you guys. Thank you. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.